In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a person from a photograph in Affinity Photo. We'll keep this clean, quick, and non-destructive, so you always have a safety net. Start by duplicating your photo layer. In the Layers panel, right-click your photo and choose Duplicate. This gives you an identical copy on top of the original. Work on that duplicate and keep the original underneath untouched. If anything goes off track, you can always compare or roll back without losing your starting point. Now for the simplest and most powerful approach, the in-painting brush tool. Look to the Tools panel on the left and select the in-painting brush. If you don't see it right away, press the J key to cycle through the healing tools until in-painting appears. Before you paint, glance up to the Context toolbar at the top and set the sampling option to Current Layer and Below. This tells Affinity Photo to pull texture and color from your duplicate and anything beneath it, which helps it blend the repair seamlessly with surrounding pixels. Zoom in on the person you want to remove so you can work accurately. A closer view makes a big difference when you're tracing edges or navigating around fine details. With the in-painting brush active, start by gently tracing around the outer edge of the person to define the area. Then paint inside to cover everything you want gone. When you release the mouse, Affinity Photo analyzes the surrounding background and automatically fills the painted area, recreating realistic detail where the person used to be. Adjust your brush size as you go for better results. Use the left bracket key to make the brush smaller and the right bracket key to make it larger. Aim for a brush that's slightly bigger than the detail you're covering, and shrink the size near edges or intricate patterns for more control. If the first pass doesn't look perfect, undo and try shorter strokes. Working in smaller sections often gives the algorithm more context and produces cleaner blends, especially around busy backgrounds like fences, foliage, or textured walls. Keep an eye on lines and patterns in the background and paint in the direction they naturally flow. This small habit helps the fill align correctly and avoid smudges or warped shapes. Continue refining until the area looks natural. When you're done, zoom back out to check the overall image. With a careful duplicate layer, the right sampling mode, and steady, well-sized strokes, you can remove a person convincingly in just a few minutes.